Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to see how can we use model attribute instead of request param. So in our previous video, we have seen that we can use request param to catch the variable and use it for further processing. But then what is this model attribute? So in our last video, we have created an input form for just two input box, but let's say we have to take information about 50 or 60. We need to make 60 input text field to cast the information. So it will be very difficult for us to match all of these and write everything here, request param 1 2 3 4, and it will be a long things to record, and it will be very difficult for us to maintain for further processing. So what we can do, we can use model attribute and to process this file and to cache the information. So to use model attribute, we need a model. So I am creating a model here. It should be a package. It will when the name's model, and I'm creating a class myself. I'm giving the class name myself. So in myself, I'm providing private string. I'm creating a variable first name, last name, school, and university. So basically I am giving here a four basic variable. Now I need to create a getter and setter method so that we can initialize this. So I have created all the getter and setter method. So this is my myself class. So let's go here. So what will happen, I will pass this myself class as an object to this index.html, and we'll try to catch this myself object in using thymleaf annotation. So let's put a thymleaf annotation. The annotation should be th object. I think this second bracket, it should be myself. So you can see I have used myself as object, but I didn't pass this object from this model view. So we need to pass this. So to pass this, let's use this here and put myself here, sorry, myself, and create a new myself object here, new myself. So I am passing this myself object as a myself into the index.html. So I have used th object to catch this myself object. Now I have to remap it. To remap it, I have to use th field annotation. So th field field, it should be fname, copy it, paste it, lname, br, let's put it as school. Basically I don't need this name parameter, but I am just keeping it university. The name of this should be matched by this variable. So university, let's copy this field, school, copy this. So what is actually happening here, this th object is matched with this every input, and it will pass this form will pass this object with value to this home controller. So school name, university name, university name. So in controller I need to change something. So here I'm going to use form model. So I just want to keep this. So request mapping value comma method request method post response body public string form model return blank string. So I will use model attribute here, spring annotation model attribute, and it will match myself, and this myself will be matched with my myself object, myself class, myself. So I'm giving my name is, I'm using this myself and using get to get my name, first name, myself dot get last name. I am giving a beer tag here. I have studied in myself dot get school plus and myself dot get university. So if I run this, it should print all the 4 information here. So let's run this and see if it is working or not. If it doesn't work, we'll change the necessary we'll make the necessary changes. So if I cut this, so this is my 4 text: Humayun, last name Kabir, school civil aviation, university BRAC university. So if I submit this, let's see what happened. So you can see it shows I have studied in civil aviation and BRAC university and my name is Humayun Kabir. So why this is two appearing differently, and they should be alternate, right? So let's go here and check. So get if my name is, so just I don't know actually why this weird thing is happening, but you should have get the idea. So basically this is how you can take object from as an object and you can use it. So if you have 50 or 100 parameter to variable to use, you can just remember this object and you can get this information and you can change it and you can work your way around. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.